Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing great. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Amazon account, right? There are two biggest market of Amazon. Number one is USA and number two is UK. So in this class I am going to tell you how to create Amazon UK account, right? And for Amazon UK account you guys need three things. Number one, uh, private limited company. Number two, bank account. And number three, Amazon account. So while moving forward, first thing is to create Amazon private limited company, right? So in this video, I will tell you how to create private limited company, and then we will in the next session we will create Amazon bank account. This is how we proceed further, right? So now you can ask why UK account, why not USA account or any other country? So let me clear one thing that there are two biggest marketplaces for Amazon. Number one is USA and number two is UK. So we'll more focus on US and UK, right? And you can find sellers from every country in United States market and UK market. So these are the two biggest market, and we are more concerned to work on these markets. So the reason of this program and this training is to make you guys a proper VA, and uh, account creation is for those who are just doing their own business, right? So for VA account creation is not so mandatory, but you guys have should have knowledge how to create one. So this is why I have decided to make a video for account creation as well. So let's get started with the company. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share my screen. So and you guys will see what I'm doing step by step. And meantime, I'm telling you uh, how to proceed with, right? So I'm just sharing my screen. Here we go. So first go to google.com and type UK Limited Company Registration, right? Here we go. It's a very simple process. You can find the link, direct link there. Here is the link. Set up a private limited company. Enter. Okay. The more important thing is it costs £12 to create a UK private limited company, right? And you can pay by debit card or credit card, or you can also pay by PayPal account. So let's get started with UK private limited company. We will go to register now. So are you starting a new application? Yes, we are starting a new application. Continue. Check before you start. We are going to ask you some question. You will answer. Your answers will. Okay, continue to questions. Are you able to pay for this application using a card or PayPal? Yes. As I mentioned earlier, £12 is the fees. Continue. Now, are any director or persons with significant control on the company's house secure register? No, because you will be the owner and you yourself will be the director. So continue. Now you will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. Okay, create government gateway user ID. Now we need to put an email address. I have already created one. Let me enter the email address ignition.ecom@gmail.com. This is the email address where they will send a code and you have to enter the code. So continue. Now enter code to confirm your email address. They have sent an email, the code to the given email address. We will go to the email address. Here we go. And we have received the email already. This is the code, right? So just copy the code and paste here. Now confirm. Email address is already confirmed. Now continue. What is your full name? Okay, let me type John Bradshaw. I'm typing it randomly, but when you create your company, then enter your name, right? Continue. Password. I have just enter a random password. Continue. Okay, let me change the password. Here we go. Setup recovery. Continue. Recovery word. So you need to put the word which you can remember easily. Let me type Lahore Qalandar. Okay, continue. So this is your gateway user ID and you need to remember this. You must receive an email. This is the email and this is your gateway user ID, right? Now continue. Which email address do you want to use for this application? I will use the same email address. Continue. What is the relationship with your company? So please select company's director because you own your company. Save and continue. Will the company be a community interest company? No. Will the company be limited by shares or limited by guarantee? It is limited by shares because you might add someone else and you can share, you can, give him some shares as well. So limited by shares, save and continue. What is the company name? Okay, so I have put name John Bradshaw Private Limited. No, John Bradshaw Limited. Okay, someone has already using this name, so we will try with some other name. John Bradshaw 007. Let's try with this one. So here you need to enter the address. Okay, this is very important section. You guys must have a address of UK and you can find it on Google. You can buy it. You can buy any virtual address. There are multiple websites on Google. You can find one. Here I am going to put a random address, but for your company, you guys must have a correct address. So I'm trying with this one just to make the account. Let's see if it works or not. Else I will find some other address from Google. Save and continue. So this address is okay for now. Let me tell you again, I have put a random address just to tell you guys how to create account. But when you guys are creating your own private limited company, you should have a proper address. You can buy virtual address from Google. Uh, okay, I hope you guys understand. Now confirm and continue. Okay, where will be the company registered? England and Wales, right? Save and continue. What is the company principal place of business? I will select the address and continue. I don't have mobile number at the moment, so I will put that place vacant and try to save and continue. But when you guys are creating your company, you must have a UK mobile number as well. You can find one on Vike or GiveGive. Is the new company replacing another business? No, because this is already a new company and we are creating it for the first time. So we will select no, save and continue. When will the company start spreading? I will select on the same date it gets set up. Save and continue. In its first 3 months, will company do any of the following? In some situations, a company may need to account for income tax. The most common situation listed are below. Tell us, pay interest or any no. We will straight away select no. Save and continue. What will be the company be doing? You can put e-commerce. I think it's not available. Amazon, not available. Shop, uh, store. Save and continue. No. Now what will be the director's detail? As I mentioned, Mr. John Bradshaw, you guys will put your name there, right? First name John Bradshaw will put here. Has the director used different name for business? No. Nationality. Now this is the most important part. You can put the nationality which you own. You are registering UK company, so it doesn't mean you will put UK details here. You can put your details. So I am putting Pakistan. Pakistan. Date of birth 9, just random. This is all random just to teach you guys. Director. What is the correspondence address for John Bradshaw? I will select the same address. Save and continue. What is the home address for John Bradshaw? Same address. Save and continue. Does John Bradshaw want to receive filing reminders by email? Yes. You will select the same email address. Save and continue. Now you can check the details you have put clearly. This is very important part. If you want to change anything, you can change right now. And if everything is okay, then you can confirm and agree and save and continue. You are about to set up the company's shareholders. Okay, save and continue. Is Bradshaw a shareholder? Yes. Would you like to add another shareholder? Not at the moment. Continue. Check and confirm shareholder details. So I myself put me as a shareholder. I am assuming my name is John Bradshaw and I am the complete shareholder. Confirm and continue. So you can see how many steps are involved. You have to do it very sensibly. Do you want to use the most common type of shares? Most company ordinary shares with GPP. Yes, save and continue. One share. Confirm and continue. You're about to set up the persons without significant control over the company. Continue, continue. Does when John Bradshaw have the right to appoint or remove the majority of the company? Yes. Save and continue. So here is the detail. You can check it again. Check mark. Save and continue. Model articles of association. Yes. Save and continue. I confirm. Save and continue. Create electronic signature for. You can fill out the details. I'm just putting it randomly. This is all for verification purpose, right? Save and continue. Confirm and continue. So you can see this is your complete form. Check it clearly. Confirm and send application. You're about to make a secure payment of £12. So you have filled the complete details. Now you're about to, payment. This is the last step. You can enter your credit card and do payment, right? So I'm not continue in this process because I'm just telling you how to create an account. So let me tell you, in this page you can put your credit card details and then do payments, right? So I hope you guys understand how to create a UK Private Limited Company. Once you enter your credit card detail and confirm, then your application will be in process, and within 2 to 3 days you will got a confirmation from the team that you have already created your UK Private Limited Company. So this is the first thing you need for Amazon account. And so in the next video, I'll be telling you how to create your bank account. I'll be telling you how to create a Payoneer bank account. So uh, then after creating Payoneer bank account, then we will directly proceed towards Amazon Seller Central account, right? So this is the first step. I hope it's understand. Being a VA, you don't need to create your bank account because you are going to tell to work on your client's account. But you guys must have a knowledge how to create a bank account, because maybe in future you there will be a client who asks you to create an Amazon account. So you must have the knowledge how to create an Amazon account. So this is the first step. I hope it's very easy. And if you have any questions, any queries, please do let me know. Uh, it's a recorded video. I will share it in the group, right? So if you guys have any questions regarding this, we will have a session for question answers. So you can ask me questions how to about account creation if you find any difficulties. So I'm stop sharing my screen, and this is how we have in account in company formation. And I do request all of you to watch this video completely. And if you have any issues, if you have any questions, please do ask me, right? So in the we will see you in the next session of bank account creation, and I hope you will understand the whole process. Thank you guys. Take care.